Google Maps on iPhone, how to use. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can use Google Maps on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there isn't much of a caveat to be able to use Google Maps on iPhone because Google Maps is also available for iOS users. So as you can see, I've already installed it. You just need to head over to your respective app store here, search for Google Maps, and after that the rest is everything self-explanatory. You can download and open the Google Maps app, log in with your Google account. If you're already logged in, that's perfectly fine. Then you can simply start navigating to Google Maps, in which case Google Maps is just way better than Apple Maps. By the way, you can select that, you can search for directions here, and once you search for directions you'll be able to navigate it by tapping the start option and whatever else it is that you prefer. This way you should be able to use Google Maps on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.